How many boxes are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12. So there's a complete collection.
Yes, but Mom, the other is open.
I don't know why. You can just open that first. So I'll give you 3 boxes to open.
Yay!
Okay?
Can I open it?
Yes.
This one is open. I think someone just opened it. It's still open inside. Oh my gosh, we get scum.
It gets come.
Wow, it's a doll.
Can you give me the card for that?
Yes, of course. Oh my gosh, there's a heart. Mom, can I keep the heart, please?
So this is Nanci.
There's a heart.
So this is Nanci. Okay?
Nancy, and this is her heart.
Okay.
Because
You can put that in your collection. In your new collection dollhouse.
Yay! Let's put it here. Of course, they will stand. Where I will put this? Here. Yay! Now let's open another one. Can I?
Yes, you can. That's your second box.
Okay.
Don't do that.
I'm just so excited!
You frighten Hermes.
So beautiful! What's this? You have a plastic.
Give me the box. The card.
What is
You
this?
hold it. Hold it.
Okay. Just a heart.
Oh, there's no name for the collection.
No name?
Yeah. Everything is Nanci. Oh, maybe in the box. Oh, that's Chinese name. I don't understand.
Wow!
Wow.
Do you have another heart? Mom?
You can put that in the
Okay.
playhouse.
This one's easier to stand because he stand like this dress is like not standing. So let's open it. And
Another item.
oh, now I know how to open it.
So that's your last item.
Ooh, a blend bag.
Wow.
It's beautiful. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Here's the card.
I don't understand the name. Even though you give me the card.
Chinese. But it's so beautiful.
Oh, you have a new collection. You can put that again.
Okay. You have to say names.
You can play that. Ito si Luyin. Ito si Odette. Si Mia.
Ito na si Mia. Maganda. Mas paborito ko to. Tsaka
Mas bagay sa kanya, Odette. Ito si Luyin. Ito si Mia.
Mia.
Oh.
Si ano nga to? Ito yung babag. Ay! Nauubulog na guys.
The Dragon Ball is back!
Ito si Silo.
Silong. Yung lalaki yan eh. Siyempre mahirap yung pangalanan. Meron mga bago dito. Ah, meron ako dyan.
Oh, I'm just going upstairs. I'm just going upstairs. There you go. I'm already upstairs. Oh, look, there's... Should I chika?
Chika daw.
Hi, Miss Beautiful. May I know your name?
What? Oh, yan si Luya.
No, I don't want to talk to you. You're a stranger. Oh.